doo-doo. 'Cause you doo-doo. Boot camp coming up soon, better be ready. Speaking of coming, I doc's back, sub doc, no Bugs Bunny. You make my tummy feel funny. All the lunch and green juice a man could ever need. Makes me real strong, Matty Hercules. Man, your train's whack and they stay. Turn on your screen and gotta whip on tanks. Hedge pressure, I wait for the trades to come to me. Hedge pressure, I go hard at half gap. I go harder at LP. Might bet the house if price hits DD. You are the trader's PP. I would spark.
What's up, guys? Wake up. Wake up. It's afternoon time.
Watch this. Watch this. I call this the Arby's trade.
Where's Pickled? Pickled downstairs with iDoc. All right, guys. Up $8,500 today. Pretty chill, pretty cool. Zero of my accounts are red. Been nice with the long trade out the door. Now I'm just waiting.
You other traders,
Can I find myself a good long out of here?
hope the market flushes you, 'cause you do. Boot camp coming up soon, better be ready. Speaking of coming, doc's back, sub doc, no Bugs Bunny. You make my tummy feel funny. All the lunch and green juice a man could ever need. Makes me real strong, Matty Hercules.
What's up, guys? How y'all doing? All right, we're going to continue the songwriting contest today. Appreciate you guys being here all day, every day. Love having you guys on the stream. We are crushing it. I am on like a 15-day winning streak. I just checked. It's been crazy. 13-day winning streak. It was 3 weeks ago when I took that last loss. It's been crazy. I am having a really good time keeping that W machine rolling. I've been bullish every day. I had puts to support in case the market turned around a couple months, maybe like a month ago, whenever that was, when the market was kind of peaking out before all Fed stuff, like rain here. Oops, sorry, not there. Right here. I did have puts in here just in case that was kind of like, you know, a determining point. The market's going to turn around. But Fed came through and saved everything, and the longs kept playing out. So bought some puts, kept longing every single day, puts to hedge, and then that's it. I very rarely buy puts in case we get greater bear market signals. All three are bearish, and then that's it. But grab some puts at the end of this green day. Didn't work out. Grab some puts at the top of this green day, and didn't work out, which is fine. And I've been longing my futures ever since for profit. I'm taking about 50,000 in payouts like this month, about 80,000 last month. It's been crazy. I'm about to hit the $80,000 mark with Tradeify. To get my third live account with the prop firms stuff, just to challenge to say I can do it. Being the best, got to show people I'm the best. Then like live stream and let you guys see it. Looking at VIX on bar chart, it's 2 points lower than on my charts. Why is it different? Because I'm looking at VIX futures, not VIX as the index itself. So I trade for free. What's the catch? I believe everybody should show their trades. You know, I feel like there's a bunch of crybabies out there that'll cry when you try to ask them to show trades if they got something to sell. I think it's crucial for people in trading to show that they trade. If you have something to say, you should always back up and show people. There's no catch. Just YouTube is free. You can hang out and watch. Honestly, though, like I said, 0 people out there care as much as I do about trading transparency. There's not that many people are that good. I don't want you to see it either. How many total payouts have I gotten until now? Between the live accounts and the funded accounts, couple 100,000 this year. At least 2. Something like that. Maybe 3. I just started doing the prop stuff this year, so it's been my first go around at it. $2 million is the single largest payout. Yeah, which was was that Jade Cap, right? Oh, let me get some more water real quick. My bottle is. Oh, sorry, you guys. I have to change my screen format for the other show. This is my P&L for the day today. So these are all, this is 7 FundedNext accounts. This is 5 Tradeify straight to funded accounts. I haven't traded in all of them yet. I always leave a couple just in case. You know, I spread my risk out a little bit. It's about 8,500 in profit today. So like fully transparent, you guys can watch all my trades live. No question about what I do. Nobody's ever, you know, showed you their trades or whatever while they're trading. You guys can hang around here. I show you pretty much everything I do live. I think that's 8,500. Let's do the math really quick. 1,000, I'm just going to estimate. 1,000, 23, 33, 34, 40, 52, 70, 62, 66, 7, 67, 77, and 9. Yeah, about 86, 86, 87. I'm not adding up like the tens digits or whatever. That's about 8,500 bucks. Somewhere around like a little bit more than that today. It's crazy. That's pretty cool. Front and center. If you guys have questions, want to see anything I'm doing, just let me know. We are going to be doing a... Will I try to break the record at prop trading? No, not really. I'm only prop trading to like prove that I can do it, just to show off, really. Not really my cup of tea or desire. To like try to spend too much of my energy trying to push the prop space for like records like that, because in all honesty, the actual end of the day payout's not that big. You know, 1099, you get taxed really heavily and things like that aren't really like, if I'm pushing to make millions of dollars of payouts to try to beat like the prop record, the idea is that I should just be trading that in my real account, and on stream that's what I would do. But you know, our participation in props now is to just get the live account, and I'm not even like super serious about it once I get it, just to do it, to say that I can do it. Wait, Tradeify blocked your account? Wait, what happened? Is the prop class starting today? Not today, but tomorrow. Yeah, we'll start tomorrow. So today, upper targets 25.68, upper risk interval band, DD band 67.78, right there. Perfect. That's it for at least the final move. But you guys know me, I don't take bull breakouts without retests. I usually let them test. It's very possible that we do take this this end of the day 1 or 2 hours down. Any red candles that we get down in here is an easy buy up. I don't think that we get it, but I'm not necessarily going to chase this at the high. $8,500 better off today than earlier. I have no desire to jump in and go push any harder than that. Liquidity pockets have been pretty much bay. This is my favorite setup, LPs. Bear zone, bull zone is a 90% probable setup. I've been taking this one on stream for years. You guys, y'all tune in and watch. This is, I play a song called EST every single time because I take this trade every time. Right out the door. I mean, it was pretty easy. All right, guys, we're gonna do a giveaway in just a little bit. Make sure you hit that like button because it's a 300. We will be doing a giveaway in just a little tiny bit. I don't use any trade copiers. No. No, dude. Lance 100% is making up random numbers, dude. I just look. Don't let it go, dude. Like, unless the guy's gonna show proof of trades, he's not in the same league as any of you or any of us, so it doesn't even matter. Like, it's weird that like people are gonna claw their way out of a hole. They're just a bunch of fucking rats. That's all they want to do is claw out of a hole. A really good trader would be like, here's my P&L. Matt, what's your P&L? Well, here it is. This is what I made today. This is what I made on stream. I put a camera so you guys can watch for free. No price tag, no paywall, nothing. Just watch, learn. There's nothing for sale. You know, the stream is free. I barely pitch you guys products. I might talk about a prop firm every once in a while. It's just like, keep it going. Look, I'm going to put case closed on this and I'm done. I asked Guy to send me P&L statements. He's like, sure, I'll do it for charity. I'll send you 1 year. And I was like, send me 10 and I'll give you twice as much. And then doesn't want to do it. Here's the final thing. Ready? Here's what the liars are so far and they're lying. Look at this. Ready? Here's a podcast from February. I made $60 million, right? Here's his own video from his own page in August, made 100 million. And then here's his admission today in my Twitter feed, which is I actually only made 42 million. So motherfucker just buried himself alive in front of everyone on public. Which one is it? 60 million, 100 million, 42 million? Can he not remember which fucking number he's making up? I can't follow the different stories every podcast I watch. That number gets bigger and smaller. Even if it's 100 million, if it's 60 in February and 100 in August and 42 now, that's a horrible fucking trader, even if it's real. 69 for 20 million. 100% making shit up and down hundreds of $1 million in a nice strong bull market. Case fucking closed. There's your dance around, guys. Guy fucking forgot every number he's told people. You want to lie about your trades? That's a paddling. All right, let's get on with the day. Case closed. Mic is dropped. Which one is it? Is it 100? Is it 80? Is it 60? Is it 69, 420? I have fun. Like on my stream. I show my trades. You guys ask, I show you the picture. This is it. You guys want to see the DOM? Here's the DOM. You guys want to see my statement, my report, OSEP, whatever I do in my Discord? Like, no question. If you want to question me, you just ask, I show. You can say, hey, Matt, how you doing today? Oh, it's red. Oh, I blew up this account. Oh, I made money. It's always here. In your face. I just have fun. Made my boy go full Texas. Yeah. So either case, 46 to 100, he's still legit. Yeah, if you say so. I don't know. I base your opinion on something you haven't seen, that's all your prerogative, man. I'm in the boat of asking people for evidence, and when they throw hissy fits and names, they don't got it. Easy as that. And if you guys are too gullible otherwise, then you're never gonna make it, not only in trading, but in this life. You're gonna get conned and swindled out of every single gain you ever get. If you don't get a lot the first time you get it, someone's gonna take it from you. And that's it. I gotta teach you guys how to not be gullible and how to survive in this world. Y'all are gullible as fuck. Like I said, any little bit you're fighting your way through life, any little bit you gain, someone's gonna take it from you, and you're gonna have to face that. Face it now. Nobody's fucking legit in Wall Street unless you can see it with your own two eyes. And I hate the argument of Market Wizard said this guy was great. Oh, you mean some guy that writes books and sells those too? Yeah. Yeah, if I need content, yeah, what am I gonna do? Fact check and fucking gatekeep all of Wall Street? You're not gonna have anything to write about. None of these gurus out there are making any kind of money for you to sell a book off of. How many Michael Berrys are there? Like, this is all fake fugazi. Call it the guru circle jerk. None of them are fact checking each other and verifying each other, publishing the results. Hey, I saw this guy's trades, here's the results. The whole thing's a lie to you guys. Very few people just sit here and say, watch me trade, you can see it. No question there. I can't Photoshop things that fast. Anyways. So these people get very angry. Yeah, it's okay. And I'm not, again, all I did was ask other people, listen, let's just tell you the story. Other people, like FinTwit gathered around Pat calling this guy a fraud. Pat called him a fraud. Pat called him out. And then all of FinTwit started saying, yeah, does he really trade? Does he really trade? And people are like, I've never seen him trade. And you know me, I always say, hey, can I see the results? And the result was I'm being picked on for asking for the results. All I did was ask for results. I wasn't even mean about it. Show me the results. And then you got to make fun of me and make fun of my name and stuff like that. Homeboy's buried himself. That's okay. That's all right. It's okay. That's all I have to do is like make sure you guys aren't that gullible. Nope. If you say someone's legit, I ask you how, and then what are you gonna say? That's all I'm gonna say. Is Kinfo Fugazi? No idea. Like I don't know. Like the people on there. Like, you know how you game a system like that is you go get 2 or 3 brokerage accounts. You go out there and aggressively trade all of them. show hundreds of a percent gain, and whichever account gets 100% gain, wash it with the other account trading the other direction, and then tie one of those accounts in the Kinfo and you're on the leaderboard tomorrow. Congratulations. There's a whole bunch of ways to scam a leaderboard system. Like, I don't know if it's truthful unless it has everybody's 100% of all their account activity in one place. People could easily detach or decommission the losing account and not show it. You know, multiple accounts. Like, this stuff doesn't really verify everything you do. I could long in one account and buy puts in the other and walk away zero for the year, but you think I made $100 million. Like, it's like the only real thing is that what you report to IRS, and that's it. So at the end of the day, I'll tell you, show me proof. That's all I ask for, man. Boxing match, I'll get down on my knees, man. Give him a fair shot. No, I'm just kidding. Y'all leave. Stop making fun of him for being short. Y'all be nice. These gurus want to bury themselves, let them. I don't care. Show me the proof or shut the fuck up. Like, I'm nothing to say. That's all I feel like. 150 centimeter. Guys, stop. Y'all stop. Y'all are too mean. I'll be nice. I prove to you guys that it's safe to ask questions. I'll take the heat because I don't fucking care. I don't care at all. You can say whatever you want about me. I don't care. I stand on trades. That's it. So for me, it's very simple. You guys think it's okay to accept someone's story. I'm going to teach you that you don't have to stand alone by questioning people. People are scared to. These people, look at this. I'm getting bullied by questioning somebody. Bullied. Bullied by fucking someone that comes up to my shoulders. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. And I'm nice. I am fighting back. I'm just saying, yep. Watching the circus clown do somersaults is funny to all of you guys. That's fine. But for me, it doesn't even bother. But this is what happens to you guys. If I'm going to get bullied, you're going to get bullied. Ask questions. They're going to bully you out of the answer. That's how they get your money in their pocket. This is exactly what they do. Don't be fucking bullied by people online. If you have something to say it. I'm going to be an example. Be brave like me. Come up and say it. Don't be afraid asking me questions. Are they going to bully you on the internet? Look, that shows you your answer. Don't buy a single thing by someone that's like that. If you guys let me be an example to you as a trader or a coach or whatever you think I am to you, let that be an example of how you can behave. Don't be afraid to march up to somebody and say, show me the fucking proof or get the fuck out of my way. That's it. If I need security, I know a guy. Oh, I know I got security. I got security. IDOC and Pickle. That's all I need. So make sure that you guys know that it's okay to ask questions. Asking questions. I've been told there are consequences. I've been made fun of. My name's been made fun of. You know what nobody does do in that situation? Nobody, and I mean nobody, makes fun of my trades. And that's all that matters in this business. That's all I stand on. You don't like me? That's cool. Think I'm weird? That's cool. Think the sky's purple? Not gonna argue with you. You're gonna try to sell people something and you're scaring them out of asking for authenticity. People need to learn that they should be able to ask those questions. And that's it. And that's it. Nobody shows their P&L. Not a lot of people do, because not a lot of people that trade well put themselves out there. A lot of people that trade well just do it in secrecy, and you don't see a lot of people out there. But anyway, it's not going to make the whole stream about that. But like I said, you're going to make up a number every other day and think there aren't very smart, gifted geniuses out there. Yep. Okay, guys, we get back to the songwriting contest. We have gone through almost half of yesterday's, or sorry, half of the song submissions into the semis. And now we are picking right back up. Just in case you guys didn't hear the end, the semis were almost done. Dive Catchers Anonymous was Golden Buzzard to the end. I gave that one my blessing just to go forward. Since it needs to go forward. Listen, you guys, y'all are welcome to, you know, add your commentary to whatever. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what people think about me. I don't really care. I just stand on trades, see what I do, like it or hate it. That's all that matters to me, is that I'm showing you guys what I'm doing. Other people, they got a story to sell, and then when you ask them about more information, they still got more story to sell. It's all story, it's never show. You know, in Texas, we got a saying. We say that person's a shower, not a grower. Feel free to go add your commentary to that post if you care about it. But yeah, some of these people are showers, not growers. They talk about how big it is, but then they ain't got it down there, if you know what I'm saying. We say that. I don't know if y'all say that outside of Texas, but you say someone's a shower, not a grower. It's a man that postures because he has a small pecker. That's what people say it. All hats, no cows. Definitely a grower, Harry. I've seen it, bro. Good job, by the way. What's Trader's Paradise? That was the original name of my original YouTube show that I had. I called it Day Trader Paradise, and it was a parody of people that were like saying that I make millions of dollars, trading's a paradise, I make all this money. So I parodied that and called it Day Trader Paradise. But in actuality, the show was very much like a statistical dive into all these market theories I had and like looking at risk intervals and stuff. And it was like more of a technical thing with the goofy name. So that's where it kind of came from. Bull or bear today? Bullish. Very bullish, yeah. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. We ended at Knife Catchers Anonymous, so you guys can all agree is one of the best songs. Okay. Let's go ahead, and we got about a handful more to go through. What you guys want to do is listen to the songs. You're going to vote which song is a finalist. Not if you like the song, not if you love the song, but is this song a winning song? They're all trading themed, or rocket scooter themed, or taking a shit and taking a trade themed. This one's called True Love Trading. Very like, let's go to the mall, Robin Sparkles sort of sound. There's an image to go with it you guys made. This is like, it's kind of funny because this is what I would dress like in the 80s, but I wasn't like old enough to have a mustache and a beard and a mullet. That would, but I mean, I did have the jean jacket and like the hot pink shirt and the white, you know, or the black Jabot shoes and slap bracelet on, you know, that's definitely me. Am I still here? You have a business plan? What you got? What you got for me, man? Is that what I look like in my high school photo? Why do I look old in my high school photo? I know, right? That's like fellow kids, Matt. That's like the guy that's pretending to be the high school kid that's really the undercover cop trying to bust the drug ring. You guys remember Jabode Shoes? Oh, dude. From when we were kids. Meritea Francois Jabode. I remember the damn commercial from it. I don't know if they're still around. They probably are, but dude, like all the cool kids were wearing them. They were so popular, like way back when. Okay, this is called Rocket Scooter True Love Trading. Rocket Scooter is my number one. You know, slightly 80s Matt sitting in his bed like this, my feet up in the air, right, scribbling my crush on my Trapper Keeper. Jake, writing his name a million times, whatever it is. Always a guy named Jake, every one of those movies. Or Brad. It's always a Jake or always a Brad. Okay, that's gonna go to this 80s song called Flying High. Head to head. It's getting hard, right? This one I believe is Tech Trader, because I remember this is the one where Tech throws his lyrics and tells that he's the boss.
What's this new sorcery? Rocket scooter flying high, levels change.
I'm in no positions currently right now. I took longs all day and I'm currently flat. Somebody said Moroccan sweets. Have I ever tried it? No, I've never tried Moroccan sweets. Rap, what is that? Sounds like a candy store, like a dessert store or something. Today, I'm looking for a B+ setup and A+ setup down here off of the zones. Do I prefer electronic or rock vibes? Dude, it's so hard because I like both. I'm such a huge fan of all kind of music. Like, I just saw Above and Beyond a couple days ago, which was EDM. Dude, that was a party. That was fun. And then a couple weeks before that, I went and saw Coheed and Cambria, Taking Back Sunday. Earlier in the year, I saw like Thursday, Amberlin. I go to rock shows. I go to metal shows. I go to EDM. I'm going to see Audion on October the 4th. He's one of my favorites. We already got a table and everything. Bias for now, long from here, 67.77 S&P, 25.68 Nasdaq futures. This one I'm looking for now. Yeah. Moroccan sweets are really good. What is that? Is it like a name of an establishment? Or are you talking about Moroccan desserts in general? Like, is Moroccan sweets like the name of a store or something? I don't think I've ever had. I've had Moroccan food one time at a place in Houston called Doris Metropolitan. They had a really good like steak with bone marrow on it and Moroccan fish stew. It's one of my favorite things I had actually at that in the city. Okay, get your votes in, guys. Moroccan pastries? I don't think I have. But you guys have to tell me like what's good. Tell me to give me something to Google so I can look it up. All right, get y'all's votes in, guys. Song 1, song 2, or neither. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 68 is the upper risk interval band, which is typically where the next liquidity point will be on the structure of the market. Like if we go up, 68's the pivot. I'm in no trades right now. I'm perfectly flat. You can see the top right of the screen. Anytime I'm in a trade, it will be reflected on the screen. One of the DOMs will be on the screen when I'm in a trade, no matter how many accounts that I'm in. I'm not in a trade off screen and this says 0 on screen. That doesn't happen. And well, I guess if I'm in a FundedNext trade, that's always off screen because I don't have room for those here. But I'll tell you guys if I am. So trust me, right now, 0. I Tradeify. If this is flat, they're all flat. Okay. All right, guys. It looks like Tech Trader in the finals. Updates in real time. 1980s. Love that song. I love the picture. Love all of it. And that You're My Number One is cute and fun. We'll put that on the playlist and keep it going. Very fun. Okay. Okay, where are we? Oh, semis. Okay. All right, 80s. All right, now we got Stock Market Wizard. Kings of Leon, baby.
Let go from his job, was making a great wage. He studied chemicals, then decided to trade.
He studied chemicals. All right, get those likes up, guys. 300. Let's go. Yeah, Tech, that was an awesome song, bro. Hold on.
The platform was born after years of market pain. Long nights of drinking those Monster energy drinks. Blood pressure started to rise, but he pursued his dream. Doctors said no go, so he cut caffeine. Rocket Scooter was born, Matty Ice rose to fame. Now he only takes the best statistical trades. Darbs left and right, to green to ignore. That's how the Rocket Scooter crew and the legend of Matty Ice was born. Matt started longing and he just couldn't stop. Keep hitting lows.
And you guys know, just kind of giving you guys, ETF is having 90% off sale. One Step Diamond Hands, end of the day. 80% off Apex, 40% off TBT, 30% off Tradeify, $199 resets on Core Funded, Buy Funded Future, 10% off FundedNext. All the codes are on the screen, different places. So just letting you guys know what's going on in the prop space today. This is so Kings of Leon, dude. I love it.
Matt stands alone.
It kind of reminds me of, what's the name of that song?
Tells the others to just go home.
It just sounds like Kings of Leon in general.
There's no end in sight. He feels his golden squalid until the tail.
The golden swallow. Okay, so right here,
He's a stock market wizard.
just kind of keep it on here. You can see the algo shows that support the close, support the open, support here. Here, all of this is A+ down in here.
Every single
A+ support, B+ support. I'm just waiting to see if we get any kind of, like, I'd like to see some kind of pullback. Nasdaq resilience is strong-ish. Not all stocks are rallying, so we probably get some kind of a little bit of pullback, but this is where the support would be. And that's what we're gonna get today. S&P would put right about 37 level. That's what I'm looking for. If like we work our way down to the end of the hour, I'd bet on it closing up off of those levels there.
He's a stock market wizard. Dollar sign
About 955 on Yuki futures, and 737 on S&P.
single time.
I'll be looking to maybe take a stage. This is just basically where this is here. Stage entry off of this. I would put maybe a 40 points, stop on this, and then grab it again at the bottom. And I'll just grab this in the remaining 2 accounts and just leave it at that. Stock Market Wizard. Pie. Love that. Love that look on that one. Semifinalists next. To go with Rogue of the Lambs.
I got my puts, baby.
Got my puts, baby. Getting tough.
You like my puts, baby. You know you do. I got my puts, baby, yeah. Stacked them deep while you were dreaming. I got my puts, baby, yeah. Market bleeds and I'm still leaning. You like my puts, baby. Watch the red turn into winning. I like my puts, baby, yeah.
Market Watch map shows 75% Nasdaq is red and only 25% in the green. Is that also, is that market cap weighted? That's the real question. Because the number of stocks, most of the stocks are red today, I believe. But the market cap, 75% of the market cap might be green. Maybe that's because I'm looking, like, when I look at this, like, or is it non-market cap weighted? I don't know. That's what I was asking. It's crazy to see that the sectors in general, overall down. But they got Nvidia and like other stocks basically carrying today. Consumer staples, there's a lot of stuff really down off of Expiration Friday. Like all the major sectors down. The S&P slightly up. Hold on, let me refresh that and make sure it's accurate. Hold on. Should be different. Oh, that is accurate. Okay, yeah. Dang, look at this. Got my puts, baby, yeah.
Don't care if this pocket fails, my puts prevail. If hedge pressure breaks, I'm off that rail. Whatever happens, I don't lose sight. I'm covered deep, my risk game's tight. Monthly maps forecasting, I align. I stay calm, I'm never behind. Rest can slip, the winds can wail. I hedge with truth and my puts prevail. You held your breath, I held conviction. Watch you drown in your prediction. You pray for green, I pray for blood. Your hope was noise, I moved in the flood.
I got my puts, baby, yeah. All right, guys, likes to 300, smash the like button. Let's do giveaway in about 30 minutes or less. Type it. 300 trigger zone giveaway. We'll do FundedNext giveaway all afternoon like we do. Okay, get your votes in. Oh, it's tough. It's close. I gotta let this one ride. Everybody vote. It's too close. They are neck and neck right now. No, dude. I love Tech. I love this song so much, dude. I like the lyrics are so good. This is like straight up Trent Reznor vibes, dude. That's what I like about this one. This is like 1996 Nine Inch Nails, you know? How do you enter the giveaway? Once it gets to 300, then that triggers the giveaway. Then we'll spin a wheel. I'll tell you guys how to enter when it's time. Just hang around. It kind of gives me like softer Head Like a Hole vibes, like Nine Inch Nails. You guys remember? Actually, that's earlier 96 because that was from Pretty Hate Machine, which I think was like 92 or 93. When did Pretty Hate Machine come out? See how good I am. Oh, 89. Damn, that's older than I thought. 89. Head Like a Hole. Spy is at 66666. Oh my God. Not again. Not this again. Okay, guys, get your votes in. I can't end it like this. They are literally tied. They're tied. We need like 50 more votes. I'm not going to lie. They are literally tied, and one of them has to go through. It's the semis. We can't pass them both. Vote, 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 vote. They are literally neck and neck. That's crazy. But we got like really good songs. Rogue has 1 billion songs in the finalists. Tech does. I mean, they're all okay. And that was actually Ty. So Ty made the other one. Reset the poll and play them again. No, we have to keep going. It is what it is. If it's a neck and neck race, it's a neck and neck race, but there will be one clear winner. I'm counting for 30 seconds. Well, it's not tied now. One of them slightly ahead. 30 seconds and I'm ending the poll. Since they're close, I got to give people enough time to vote. Ten, 9, 8. I'm not even going to look. 7. I don't want to look at the results when I click the button, to be 100% fair. 6, 5. Hold on, I can put the mouse on the button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clicked it. Market Wizard slightly. I'm telling you, it was like neck and neck with Market Wizard slightly above the whole time. And I was like, okay, let's see, Puts Baby, give some room, get some more votes in. And so, to be fair, as I was watching the results, Wizard did maintain a lead while they were neck and neck. So I do think the one you guys did pick was the one that was also in the lead, even though they're both A+ songs. Oh my God, it's so hard to pick. Okay. Again, it's the semifinals, which sucks is because somebody has to go home, but it doesn't mean it was a bad song. It means it was a great song that made it through multiple rounds. It just didn't make it till the end. Okay. Stock, Market Wizard, Kings of Leon made it to the next round, which also was a really good song. Congrats, Ty. We're getting to the next one. Okay. Okay. Now remember, you guys can also vote neither. If you don't think it's a... Now, it's not just do you like the song more. It's, is it a champion song? That's really what matters. Okay. All right. We've got Vertigo, Woke Up This Morning. Coffee in my hand.
Screen is glowing, I've got a new plan.
Both were goated. It doesn't mean we'll never hear them again. They'll still make it to the playlist. They just won't win the prize. We'll still jam out to a lot of these songs. So we're making a playlist of all the good submissions. We'll get to hang out with each other's music for the rest of time.
No fancy desk in sight, just a gamer chair shining ever so bright. He's talking futures, the market's high and low. My boy Rocket Scooter putting on a show. Oh, Rocket Scooter teaching me the way. Shorten the ES or maybe the NQ today. From the open bell till the closing chime, he's breaking down the charts one tick at a time. He says don't chase it green and don't panic on the red. Just follow the volume, get it in your head. Yeah, Rocket Scooter, the future's king, I know. Letting profits run and cutting.
Kind of a cool Texas country sound to it, which I like.
Feel the market's pulse, he's calling out the levels, no baseless impulse. He's talking about support and resistance too, 100 times a day. The fundamentals he'll review. He's got his indicators, his setups are clean. He's not a get rich quick, he's a trading machine. He says don't trade with emotion, just stick to the plan. And don't risk more than you can lose, my friend. My man, Rocket Scooter teaching me the way. Shorten the ES or maybe the NQ today. From the open bell till the closing chime, he's breaking down the charts one tick at a time. He says don't chase it green and don't panic on the red, just follow the volume, get it in your head.
It's definitely a jam, dude.
Rocket scooter, the future's king, I know, letting profits run and cutting losses slow.
You need to revote.
He'll show you the setups, the breakouts, the fade, the way the big money's making their trade. He'll show you the scalps and he'll show you the swing.
You know me, I'm a Texan. I love me some good like
just read the data, look it in the eye.
you know, country inspired, Texas country inspired, bluegrass inspired, chill rock music, bar rock. Like this is the band that's playing. It's like 1 in the morning, closing down, the bar is emptying out. You're still sitting there at the, you know, it's kind of hazy and foggy in there. You're chugging the last of your beer. And then you just like start bobbing your head. Like once you start sobering up a little bit, you're like, yeah, it's a jam. And then you're just kind of like get revived for the night. CFDs, yeah, our code works on futures, not CFDs, bud. So you have to do futures. And in the code is rocket. I'll have to take home a certified 4. That's pretty much what it is, right? Yeah. All right. That's pretty much what it would be, right? You're like, all right, let's go back to my place. That's a great song. It just reminds me of just chilling out. It's like very nostalgic for me. It like takes me home, you know? All right. That to go with another chill vibe song called Scooter Vibes.
Catch the green wave, watch the profits grow.
Oops.
Chart swing inside to side.
I'm gonna put the picture here.
Other gurus, wild ride, scooter tools, island breeze, stacking bags with so much ease. Rocket scooter, ride the chill flow, bag stacking high, while the candles glow. Half gap by, sipping pina colada, profit wave smooth, like cool reggae.
Matt, sure, can I show you your P&L? I can't, man. Your wife might be here. I can't whip it out just yet. People's wives are here.
Scooters wisdom reggae guide, rocket scooter, ride the chill flow, back stacking high, while the candles glow. Half gap by, sipping pina.
It's so catchy, dude. I'm not gonna lie. This is one of my favorite songs of all of them.
Like cool reggae agua, yeah.
Half gap boy.
That wave let the market sway. Scooter life we just trade and play. Green candles dancing, sun on my face.
It's gonna be so hard when some of these songs go against each other in the finals. I know. But everyone in the finals is gonna get probably some kind of prize. We'll see what it is. We'll figure out something. At least I'm gonna try. Don't hold me to that. I'm gonna have to see how many people make it. Mostly after finals, it's gonna be like mostly bragging rights. The big prizes are like the top couple. Puppet wave so smooth like cool reggae agua. Reggae agua. Scooter skanking, charge be banking. This is Sir Darb. All right. Votes are in. It's fairly unanimous. Not to say that the country rock song wasn't amazing as well. I have to give credit where credit's due. Very good song. Unfortunately, it did not make it till the end. The Rocket Scooter Vibes by Sir Darbs makes it to the finals. That's all a great song, man. Like cool reggae agua and Prophet A. Oh. Man, I can't believe we've made it all the way through this. This was a fun event. It took like 3 weeks, I think, to finish this. Wait, hold on, Simmies. Okay. We have to do a giveaway song. Okay, we got 2 giveaway songs that we're gonna do. Type It Once giveaway by Tech Trader.
Rockets burning skies, we aim to rise. Proper counts, boot camp, shiny prize. For the love of God, just one try. One word, one chance, don't let it die. Pick a bucket in the street so loud. Bots creeping, sneaky, no bots allowed. Fingers itching, hit the key, just one. Tap it once, let it be done. Type it once, don't play the...
I'm not getting any pullback or any entries here. I think like the S&P entry would have been nice. I want to see 737 though. Hit it a little lower. The heck? All right, that was one. The next one being... Hold on, wait, where is it at? Mark Easy's Matt's giveaway theme song. Ragtime style. Now, giveaway, remember, these are for giveaways.
Step right up to Matt's Wild Show. Tune in live for the day trade.
These are in a different category.
As the charts unfold, but we all know why you really roll.
These categories get a both and neither option as well.
Drop accounts raining down like a summer shower. Drop that keyword in the chat. Stick around or you'll miss where the fun is at.
Wonder how you ever got a hold position in that long and short. So I got into the long position earlier at the open. So right when market open, I jumped in long within minutes of the market took off. Like I was basically already long. And I just closed out here. I didn't take any of the rest of this. I don't normally ride waves like this when VIX is above contango midpoint. So I've been kind of chilling just to let today play out. So these are for the giveaways when we spin the wheel, just for funny, just for whatever. Which one's a winner? Yes, no, both. Where's this blow up top? 68, 25.
So gather round, don't trade alone. This ragtime tune's your winning zone. That's the king, giveaways the crown. Stay for the wisdom. Stick around.
And scene. All right, get your votes in for the giveaway song. All right. It's pretty unanimous, so I'm going to end the poll right now. Although I like that song, I think it's goofy and funny. It sounds like the Tech Trader song was the winner of the giveaway category. Going through there. All right. Good deal. Type it once, giveaway. Tech Trader. Okay. Do you guys like when we do the songwriting contest? Kind of breaks up the boredom of just sitting here and doing nothing. I have so much fun with this. This is like one of my favorite things that we do. Already did the Flying High song. Yes, we did. All right. Turn the off. Yeah, it's pretty fun. It's pretty chill, right? This is a great idea that we had. I don't know where it came from. Y'all were just submitting songs for fun. And I don't know where it started, but this started like over a year ago. And y'all were submitting songs and we just started playing them. Then we started having competition out of it. All right. Okay. This is a song called Every Single Time I Take the Trade. Very Nirvana sounding.
Every single time I take the trade, no fear in taking the pain. Yes, did I live? I breathe, I bleed. Right place, wrong.
Yeah, I think it helps keeping us from like over trading and doing goofy stuff. Right? Like really just focusing and staying busy. Jussie, was IDOC's birthday. While we're chilling, let me show you guys let me clear out this so we went to we woke up in an escape room. I bought out the entire facility so it can just be us. So then we went to a cooking class. I didn't buy out all the seats of cooking class though. Went to a cooking class and we made we went to the escape room. Then we got wine and had what do they call it? You buy chocolate at a place next door. Then we went to cook Korean barbecue at a cooking class. Oh, it was good, man. Although they didn't really like the pans they gave us and the marinade they have. You need to cook Korean barbecue like quick and really hot. It didn't really cook it that much. The meat got a little tough, but this is pretty good. We made like scallion pancakes and glass noodle stir fry and cucumber salad and like lettuce wraps with Asian pear. Pretty good. So that's what we did. Second round of her birthday. Third round, we went to this place called Le Petit Chef. It's this funny little place where you eat dinner. And there's a projector that shines like this little man walking around. This is Lance the Trader. You see this 3-foot tall midget right here walking around on my table. You're throwing a fire. I'm just kidding. I need to start being nice. But seriously though, little man right here. It was cute. Like they would pluck vegetables from the table and stuff. And then like, you know, it's pretty cool. And this was at, it's called Le Petit Chef. It's really neat. This is her freaking out when she saw her present. Like, she had no idea I was stealing her, so I got her a, Cartier diamond bracelet thing. And she was like, what the fuck? That's my favorite part of it. That's it. So we had some fun. Yeah, so she was pretty excited. She always wanted that thing. It's the bracelet that you lock on to your partner. It's called the love bracelet. So you screw it in with the screwdriver and all that. That's it. That was fun. That's what we did. And then, so we had that. Then like last week we did her night for her actual birthday, which is really funny. We both went out and like just basically got our home clothes. We didn't even dress up. And we actually, for her actual birthday, we went to Pluckers and we ate wings and played trivia and got drunk. Just her and I. Like this. So like, what'd you do for her actual birthday? Nothing, man. We went to Pluckers and had wings. That's what she wanted to do. So that was pretty dope. The bracelet, yeah, it was like, I don't know, like 13K or something like that. And also remember, Matt hates wasting money. Cartier's prices are going up, and that particular bracelet's going up another $1,500. So my investment has already appreciated in value in one day because I'm that great of an investor. Studying the movement of the jewelry market. So I've already made money on the investment. So that's nice. She likes investing in things that also go in value. Like I don't have a Rolex. I don't like buying stuff for myself like that. I'll buy stuff for her, but like she likes, you know, she's very modest too, but she has a couple of really nice pieces. So, she has like Hermes bags and stuff, but she takes really good care of them, and they've all gone up in value since she bought them. Cartier in the Galleria, in River Oaks, yeah, very close to Galleria. Okay. Well, I mean, I had a really good August and really good. I mean, I've had a really good trading year, but you know, I did make some money last month. You guys remember? A good month. Okay. All right. Every single time, song number 1. She was not expecting it because I totally played down. Like, I'm not gonna tell you how like I surprised her with everything, but I'm really good at like sneaking stuff into places and sneaking gifts in. I actually carried a whole. Well, maybe she's not listening. I'm not gonna tell you, but like I got like this whole present thing. I'm always organizing with the waiters and organizing with the owners. I call ahead. You know, I'll pay extra to get extra treatment or whatever, and I always like to make it a surprise. But she always makes a surprise too. One time she told me and ordered a bunch of cocktails, and we were sitting there eating. And she actually had 2 cocktails, and she was drinking both of them. And then the waiter brings out a dessert and sets it on the table, and it's spelled out "I'm pregnant" in chocolate sauce. And I was like freaking out. I'm like, what? I'm like, and you're drinking? And she's like, oh shit. And I was like, and she was, they were all in on it. They all got me. It was pretty funny. The look on my face was priceless. The waiter was like the only person that wasn't in on it, but the restaurant was. And the waiter was like, you know, girl, I wasn't going to judge you, but you kind of drinking and I've been holding this. He's like, you know, I kind of almost was going to like put my thumb in your food because I think you're kind of a piece of shit if you're drinking, you're pregnant and you knew it. And he was just being funny about it because he's like, you tricked me too. So that part is like really funny because the waiter and I both had no idea. We both had the same like horrific look in our face. He's like, trust me, I didn't put my thumb in your food, but he's like, I was like, man, I'm about to call you guys out. And I was like, you probably should have, you know, like that was funny. Anyways, that was an epic troll. So I got trolled pretty good on that one, but that's kind of what it's like. We definitely have a little bit of fun. Okay. Every single time Nirvana to go with Tech Traders Let's Fucking Go song. Hold on, wait. Which one is it? Hold on. No, it's the first one. But yeah, so like the jewelry prices tend to like go up in stages. So that was the perfect time because we can immediately, if I ever need, it's like a bank, right? If I ever need money, which we wouldn't, but if I ever did, we can sell it for 20% more. Or whatever it is. So that's the quickest like 20% return ever because it literally went up the very next day. The bus boy was pregnant. Funny. Love this song. They're both good. Okay, ending the poll now. It's pretty much unanimous. Pretty damn catchy. I like it, dude. It's really catchy. It looks like Tech Trader in the finalists again with LFG version of Run. There's also a second version of that in the Song Submission channel. All these songs, by the way, you guys can go listen to at any point in time. They are on the Song Submission channel. And everybody here did such a great job. It's really fun to see all these things. Okay. All right. Now we've got
you're driving yourself mad with all your technical analysis. Another trend line, another level only brings you more paralysis. Clean up your charts, volume pivots is all you need. Rocket Scooter is your answer, just come to the daily stream. It's okay to admit if you're on the wrong track. Make the U-turn now and never turn.
Guys, do me a favor. Everybody here, click that like button. We are 60 likes away from giveaway. So at 300 we go. Giving away a bunch of prop accounts today. We do giveaways every single day. I usually give away between, I don't know, 15 and 30 prop accounts every day. This kind of sounds like very like K-pop sound, like BTS style. You got so many payouts since learning the trading style here, Trady. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Dude, there's not a community in this world that I've seen make as much like gains in their like journey, not gains like money gains, but like gains of their journey than hanging out with you guys last couple of years. It just feels like so many of you guys have found your path, which I love. I love hearing it. Y'all are a solid team, man. You guys are putting in the work. I love it. Keep wondering why there are any more people here? Well, a lot of people watch trading in the afternoon. It's a small demographic as it is. Most people trade in the morning. We are the third largest futures trading stream though of the non-prop shows. Most people hang out in the prop shows where there's giveaways and stuff, but futures trading is just like a smallish community that's gotten really big since COVID. And we get like, between my two shows, I get like 20,000 views a day. But again, it's big relative to futures, but there's not a lot of people out there. Futures. Between me and the top 5 streamers, there's probably 50,000 people total that check out all the shows. Jamiroquai, yeah, it kind of like Jamiroquai sound to it. Dude, they were great. Jamiroquai, they are the largest selling funk album in the history of funk music, by the way. The name of the album, the one that had Virtual Insanity on it, the one that went popular with the moving floor video. People don't know of all funk that goes all the way back to the 60s, 70s, whatever. Jamiroquai is the highest selling funk album of all time. Good trivia for you there. Which is a great album. Not just their hit song, but the whole album was good. Oh yeah, they were great. It was a duo. One was a DJ and one was the singer, if I remember correctly. All right. That was Stop Chasing Pigeons. This is rocket scooter emojis. Grand Funk Railroad. Oh yeah, pretty good. The chat on the stream is infinitely better than others. It feels like smart people end up in this chat. I feel like other people's streams are like, I don't understand why we don't have much toxicity on our chat. It's weird. Being as big as we are, there's some mysterious order here with very little policing. We don't have to really do a lot. You guys behave very well. Most of y'all do. Some of y'all are shitheads, but other than that, most of you guys behave pretty well. It's very like not so crazy here. Even like the younger people are like very well mild-mannered and like well-tempered. The young people aren't so douchey and like, you know, dumb. You know, like me, like Fat Matt. He's very jolly. Yeah, like it doesn't. You get like, you'll troll me if you want. You usually do. Like I'm okay with it. This is where serious people come to chill. That's what I feel like. Man, this is such a strong market today. I thought there'd be a little bit more swinging around because VIX is above contango midpoint, but hey, can open for a little bit. Like, it's still very possible over the next couple of days. We could see, now I'm not thinking downside, but I wanted to see like more swinging throughout the day, but VIX is chill. Like, it's not in the best spot, but it's still chill. VVIX is below 100, so we're not gonna get a lot of VIX movement yet. Can't live without water, air in this song. All right, you got 100 votes in. It's unanimous. It looks like the winner. Both songs were great. Stop Chasing Pigeons, amazing song. However, Rocket Scooter Emojis is the winner. The more shit on your screen, the better you do, making fun of all the gurus and gurus and their goofy shit they try to sell you guys with no proof of their trading. But they let you know the more shit on their screen, the better you do. I think what happens is I say something one time and then it's so meta in this channel that you guys turn like something I say into a song. I mean, one time I went to the bathroom so quick and came back. You guys didn't think I washed my hands and there was like 4 songs about it. It gets a little crazy. All right, great. We've covered all the way down to there. We're almost at the end, guys. All right. We got a Fraser has a song.
Yeah. What's that?
This one's called Show All the Doms.
We in the building. Facts.
Like so welcomely inspired by today's
Let's go. How you end up green when I see red all day?
chain of events where gurus don't show their performance reports. Just gotta trust me, bro.
Talking big game, I just wanna learn, okay?
Make a song called Brown Hands. Ew.
Get sad all the way.
Blech.
How you end up green when I see red all day?
We're on our journey to be the #1 stream in the world is what we're trying to do. #1 streams in the world is pretty big though, but hey, we're growing. We'll see.
Trolling the feed, yeah, acting all pro. Need every dumb on the screen, let's go. Like some Vegas slots with them numbers glow. But I'm stacking that green while your count says no. Every midday you screen my trades. Waiting for a loss so your hate gets paid. By the closed bell ring, you look afraid. Cause the red turns green like a magic trade. You say patience, now you can't cope. I'm the big ship, you the tugboat rope. Try to front run, but you just can't scope. Every time I flip, man, you lose that hope. So keep your thumbs, keep your watch list tight.
When would I short? Oh, no, not today. Today's gonna close pretty strong in green. The only limit that I have to the upper part of the market is the risk interval band. 68 and 77 are the only entry where volume is even predicted at this level from here. I have nothing, there's no proven liquidity anywhere, but there will be some resistance here. Doesn't mean I'm shorting, but if I were too short and you're like, put a gun to my head, Matt, you need a short today, I would hit the green line as a short if I were shorting. But there's like 50 minutes left in the day, so there's not enough time, I would think, for us to get 25 points in the S&P. That's a lot of movement. It's very unlikely that we do get there and move before market closes, but we'll see. In the last 3 hours, I mean, we've barely gone anywhere. S&P's barely gone up 10 points. So MOC bullish. I would think MOC is going to be determining how we take the rest of the month. I don't know if it'll be bullish. I think the market's bullish now, but MOC might reveal some selling pressure if there is any. The market's still pretty volatile. It's squeezing up on a couple stocks moving higher, you know, Nvidia and stuff. But I wouldn't discount the fact that MOC could drop a big fat red candle. I'm kind of thinking it might. Although the general trend is bullish, I think a red candle dropping out would be nice. Like if we fell to 737 or fell to 955, I'd grab the dip. I would personally. But I still take the long on a dip. Yeah, BJ, you nailed it, bud. I'm waiting for the levels they marked on my screen. Those are my entry points if it pulls back. It's just the risk and reward is not really worth the time investment to be here for like all afternoon since, you know, I exited my trades. Since European markets have closed, I mean, we've barely, or at lunchtime, sorry. S&P's barely moved 10 points. So there hasn't been a lot of movement. So it'll kind of warrant like taking a lot of risk. So that's why I'm just chilling. I like to get my trades in and out quick. All right. Fat Green Justice, as it says on the picture. That's Simon's song, Simon Fraser. Pretty cool if you listen to lyrics, pretty good. All right. To go along with I don't think we have any more like Take That Pill hip hop. Okay, we got to put it with another hip hop song. This is the last one we've got. This is Sir Darb, Take That Pill hip hop.
Yeah, the chart was soft, couldn't get it up, but then I found that magic pill, baby. Yeah, put it up, yeah. Whoa, chart looking limp, couldn't hold a line, candles barely twitching, wasting my time. I needed some.
When Q go down? Probably not until like the last 10 minutes of the day.
Oh my God, green ball stretching, shooting through the sky. Long and strong, baby, watch them ride. Blue pill candles sticking long, shooting up high, all night strong.
These are in the comedy, category, by the way.
It's so big.
Dimes lit up, I'm slapping that axe. Feel me deep, baby, I'm built to last. No weak sticks here.
These are both in the comedy category. The first one was about asking gurus to show doms, and this one is all about hard cocks and eating blue chews, I guess.
So thick, market can't hold this stick. Blue pill power make the gains legit. Yeah, we going higher.
It's breaking through the screen.
Yeah, you like that big green stick, don't you? Watch it stretch, baby. No red tonight. Blue pill candles rise on command. Charts rock solid, steady in my hand. Blasting off hard, watch the profits flow. With my blue pill candle, I'm ready to blow. All night long. Candles up, baby.
Candles up, baby.
BPC.
That's pretty cute. That's cute. Cute song. All right, you got Show All the Doms, and these are both for the comedy category because they're funny, and they're both funny hip hop. Get y'all's votes in, guys. Stop chasing pigeons. Flipboard. Where'd it go? Okay. All right. BPC candle one. All right, ending the poll. That's not even close. I'm gonna end the poll. You guys have voted. Show All the Doms is the winner of the comedy category. Now in the finals, the comedy category of the comedy category showdown today with those two. All right. All right. We've got the 80s rock ballad. Stadium sound. Imagine me in my members only jacket, my mullet, my t-shirt sleeves rolled up with a cigarette pack underneath them. Steve Perry and I singing a duet on stage, sold out football stadium, 50,000 people. You didn't even get a vote pop up? Oh, how bad. We'll do giveaway, and after the next two songs, we'll do giveaway. What do you guys want to do? Let's do another, while we're waiting, actually, it's going to get your entries in, everybody. We're going to do FundedNext, by the way. I'll give away a couple rapid accounts again. Amazing, amazing song. Rocket Scooter, Take Us Higher. To go with a song that captures my lifestyle pretty accurately. Me and my pet tiger, my piles of money, and my sipping red wine, and my strange 1970s living room with golden sconces and, you know, somehow a sort of Beauty and the Beast style chandelier hanging from the top. This is really accurate. I mean, that's how I dress, so that's pretty nice. So here's a song called "Let It Ride" by Tech Trader, which is about my my tiger and my tiger and me, apparently. Oops. Oops, where is it? I think this was the one. Hold on. Yeah, they were all pretty good. The room from Django Unchained. Yeah, it kind of looks like it, right?
me through your chest. I'm needing you to bring your best. I want that full pour, baby. Don't say no. Wash fan on. Let's fucking blow. Even if it's wrong, just put it in the right place. Let's ride. It's a rocket scooter kind of night. Let's fucking ride. Is it wrong if it feels so right? We're in the blue zone now, line by line. Don't ask how, will you come with me and reach that climax MHP. Let's ride. It's a rocket scooter kind of night. Let's fucking ride. Is it wrong if it feels so right? Let's
All right. Get those votes in. And the winner is. How do you give it some time? Looks like Let It Ride snuck ahead and is the winner today. So close. Deck Trader EDM, Let It Ride. Very close, very close. Sorry about that, Roxy. Take us higher. Very, 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 very cool. All right, time to do our giveaway. All right, we're gonna give away some FundedNext accounts. Let's talk about that. 25K rapid accounts. Quickest way to pay out. You get 1 day to pass an eval, 3 days to get a payout, 4 days total. It is a very, I call it the rapid account for reasons, the fastest prop account to pay out, period. Every 3 days, you can get Once you get your target, 40% consistency, then you can request payout. It's a fixed amount every single time. Gets bigger every payout. I believe, I can't remember the exact numbers, but it gets slightly bigger every payout. And then you go uncapped after so many, and then you're good. It's one of the most popular programs out there right now. And we're going to spin the wheel for a couple of them. In the meantime, we'll play 2 new songs to go with it. All right, tech. Hold on. We did that plus take me higher. Okay. We've got 280 songs to kind of go side by side. We've got 80s on a win streak, Jeremy B. This one was great, man. You guys are so funny, man. Y'all been cracking me up. Some of these pictures. You spin the wheel. Sorry guys, I was eating my lunch. I'd like stepped away for like a second or stepped over here to the side. CT Fox. Take a few of my tiger. Nah, I'm eating like, I thought probably a breakfast sandwich. Just haven't even eaten yet. I've been snacking on it. Matthias. All right, the TV guys winners. What you need to do is go to my Discord, go to the contest channel. Discord link is in the description below. Find our admin. His name is Slacks. Send him a message. He'll hook you up. Take a screenshot of your YouTube ID from inside your account that we know that's you. Have an account with FundedNext already. You need to give him the email address of that account. Claim your prize. You got 1 hour to do all of that, or else you forfeit your prize, et cetera, et cetera. So make sure you hit it. Like I said, Slacks, S-L-A-C-K-S, is our admin in our Discord. Send him a message. You can find him in that contest channel. All right, we will play the next song here. Called Matt Inside My Head. Matt Inside My Head or Matt on a Win Streak? Oops. A little Matt inside my head.
My shore won't have too much of a drawdown, but if I ignore him, then I might blow up my account. Ashamed again after finishing the boot camp, and I feel that this could be the game changer. I'm getting closer, I'm gonna lose my shit with the little Matt in my head.
Hey, what's up? Hold on. Now I can see you again.
Hi, guys.
Got iDoc here in the house. Congrats to the winners. You guys enjoy your FundedNext accounts. Are really good. We'll give away a ton more tomorrow, ton more next day. Well, it's almost over. How you doing? What you up to? You dance for me? Where's your meeting? What is this from? I got all these napkins over. Awesome. All right, guys. Which song is a winner? Hold on. I forgot to put the poll in here. And it's one or the other or neither. Oh, bye-bye. On a win streak. That was cute. All right. Remember, this is the finalist. You can say one or the other or even neither. Letter C, the Cartier. Oh, we actually are swapping it out for the rose gold one. So that's where she was this morning. And they have to actually order it. So it's going to be a week till it comes back in. Instead of the 24 karat or whatever. Okay, get y'all's votes in. All right, guys. Great. All right, congrats to the winners. We do giveaways every morning, every afternoon. It's a thing we love to do here. All right, we got a couple more songs to go forward with, but I think the mark, we're almost over. What we're gonna have to do is we're gonna put a stop here. We're gonna pick back up on the next day. Because we got like 20 minutes left. Okay, good. Let's just play some of the chill jams to finish out the day. All right, guys, MOC coming up. Ooh, we're getting a little bit of a dippy dip down here in the NASDAQ. This is nice. All right. Get everything prepped and ready to go so I can find some trade setups in here. Is there anything I can do? Pretty nice end to the day. I'd like to see 955. Right about here, if we can get it, that'd be lovely. Finish the day in 737. S&P would be kind of nice. I'm getting ready for it. I can probably grab some dips at the last minute here. Maybe. Whoops. When you wait all day, like Tradeify seems to just always like. He went in freaking crashes midday. All right, let's get this going. Load up. Come on. Let me start getting ready for some positions here. Okay. Can we get to 955, please? Maybe you might get it after all. I drew this earlier, but let me go ahead and clean up the chart so you guys can just see. I'm going to zoom in at least on it and kind of make this a little easier to see. All right, 955 is my sort of like entry point here. I'm going to try to grab some longs right here if we get there. And 737 S&P would be kind of where I want to be. MOC coming up in 8 minutes. Could I just in the close grab one? I know we're not close to it, but we got 7 minutes. I gamble on MOC. I know it's not 9:55, but I can just grab one just to see. Why not? Let's do something small. Keep it tiny. All right, big money, big money, big money. 70 bucks, 80 bucks. See if we do have a big red candle in the close, maybe. But I don't know. It'd be interesting to see if we do at least sort of close near highs. Like I said, just throw one contract at it. This is the consolidation point. This is a previous equilibrium supporting a support. No really big technical reason other than feel on this one. Just a dip to buy. To bet we close at the high. I don't know. Not necessarily. You know, it's something. Can we get V back up to 2020? That at least gives me 30 points of move from 89, or sorry, yeah, about 30 points on this. You're gonna sit out MOC today? It might sell pretty hard and then bounce up. We'll see. I don't know. I'm just gonna take a look at it. I'm waiting for some kind of like at least big series of red candles, see if I can get something good out of it. We shall see. Who knows? Who knows what's gonna turn up here? Big 30 bucks, 30 bucks, no whammy, let's go. And I'm probably gonna take a nosedive on this and lose 500 bucks or 1,000 bucks, who cares? Who cares, right? Oh, finish out the day strong, but that VIX is high enough that anything can happen. So we could get the big candle just to push highs. We could get the big dip and die. One contract, these accounts have so much buffer in them, one contract ain't gonna make me cry. Slightly gambling, Matt? Yeah, probably, right? Probably. We'll just see. I don't know, 100 bucks, 200 bucks. Not really putting too much faith in it. If we dip really hard at MOC, I'll just grab a couple more contracts to pop it back up. I don't think that we close below 55, but that's, I think, where that point of no return actually is. This is where the sort of impact move, the next wave of liquidity started right about here. So obviously, you know, that's where I'm expecting the market to support from at best. From here, at worst, maybe from there. If we do sell off, then hey, we sell off, you know, it's kind of a thing. Why not? So on this one, I'm just going to hold through whatever the day plays out. If this guy falls down to 55, at 50, I'll stop out. Right about 55 or 60, I'll add some more. I'll step out of all of it. I'll stop out at 45, which should basically be below the 50 entry. So if we lose this pivot, then I'm gonna stop out. My plan is to go from here, double down at 55, and then take the trade back to equilibrium. If we dip to here, I'll trade it to there. If we rally to there, I'll trade it to there and get out. Either way, I'm adding the position here and stopping at 45 if it gets any further. I'll add a little bit more here than stop out there. 2 minutes left. $8,500 and 100 bucks of gamble. Just playing the end into MOC, which starts in a minute and some change. A plus is so far away, it's not even going to apply today. A plus will be all the way down to 67.13, so. Come on, baby. Get us back to 20 for the close. Get us right back to there. Oh, let me get my tick chart up. Come on, don't be slow. I don't think you're swim. You're so slow today. Here it is. And to pop. That's fun. I think your swim is like so lazy, dude. Heck. Like. Now, this was just an equilibrium play from here to there. That's it. Detailed the trades front and center, and for your very eyes, in and out. Took the lick. Took the win. Didn't take a loss on this one. No losers today. Fully transparent trading. That's how we do it. MOC is on Google. Market on close order. Wild berries. Google that. So market on close. Let me give you a link. I got you, bud. Hold on. This is for MOC and MOO. You're gonna get these right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Finishing up the day. All the other accounts green. Where's that douchebag didn't want to post his trades? Anyone should talking about that today. Here we go. This is it. Too lazy to add that up. You guys do the math. Here it is, folks. $11.5. That's it. Equilibrium play. That's all it was a trade. Right back to there and get the pop and close. That's exactly what I detailed. If you guys want to go back and see what I wrote, kind of the same thing. I always detail my trades. I longed here. Right where that middle area of equilibrium was, just off of feel, because it's minutes for MOC. I didn't think we were going to get down here. I was going to long with one. If it were to drop, I was going to add more at 55 and then trade it right back to where it started, essentially the event. So we didn't drop, I didn't add, it didn't close, and now the market's selling up. Ooh, we might actually get some of that. But this is the VIX. End of the day, we talked about VIX is above Contego midpoint. You're going to see a little bit of probably selling in the close. That's what I figured. The pop I just sold, I got the quick 30 points on that across the board and close out. So it's 11,500 today. Pretty nice. Faba, I think your short is actually doing well. I think you said you were shorting, right? Somebody said they were shorting. Whoever's shorting, good luck to you guys. Whoever's shorting, yeah, y'all are crushing it now. Y'all, if y'all shorted, I'm out too. I'm not on the long side, so I think it's gonna pull back a little bit. I should have a big calculator for sure. You look crunching those numbers. Said this is true. This is true. I should. Did you get that on Market on Close, by the way? Did you get the article? I'm a huge fan of Tim Allen's Christmas movies. Are all a big part of my childhood. Speaking of. See you guys at boot camp and see you guys tomorrow morning. Yep. So we're going to do boot camp picking up tomorrow. Oh, I need to let everybody know that, by the way. You'll start right back up tomorrow with the bonus class, the starter funding programs. Let me let everybody know that. I know we said this week. And I'll be honest with you guys, it's because I'm not prepared today to do it. I'm still working on some material, and IDOC's birthday week sort of just like zapped all my time, so I didn't get a chance to finish all the material. So I don't want to half-ass it. Looks like I made 100 million. Oh, well, if I just made up random numbers like that and told you guys, would y'all believe me? I made 100 million. No, wait, it was 60. No, wait, it was 42. No, wait, it was like 15. I mean, wait, it's in this other account, but they can't verify it. Look, just watch on the screen, see what it is. If you have any questions, whatever. I don't claim to be the best, but I'm really good at this. And at least I try to be as transparent as possible. But at least you guys, y'all are too smart to buy into stories and stuff. At least with what you can see. You can see enough to see if I'm doing what I say I'm doing, and can add up the numbers on the stream. It always matches up. You had 100% win rate today. Baba, very, very, very nice. Congrats. Congrats. All right, guys, I'm out. 4 minutes till close, but I like to get out of here for the bell rings, you know, just to call it a day. We'll pick up the songwriting contest tomorrow. I know Keith Singleton's been asking to hear the Whoosh fan head-to-head. I don't know if Whoosh fan head-to-head is how we should settle it. I think we should just see what happens in general. I think the finals are going to be different instead of some head-to-heads, but tomorrow we get to hear Whoosh fan number 2 in the semis to see if it makes it to the finals. And then however we narrow down the next 10 or 15, we'll have to come up with a way to do it. Baba's on a win streak, win streak. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.